Okay, let's start revision of chapter 2, microorganisms. We'll begin with exercise, very short answer question. Question number 1, name two typical habitats of microorganisms. Two typical habitats of microorganisms are air and water. Number 2, name a disease caused by bacteria. Here you can write any name of any bacterial disease. Okay, cholera, tuberculosis or any. Number 3, name the microbe that is used for obtaining alcohol from sugar. The microbe that is used for obtaining alcohol is of course yeast. Number 4, name one carrier of disease causing microorganisms. Carrier. You have to name one of the carrier animal, right? Mosquito or housefly. Mosquito, housefly, these are the carrier animals of disease. So you can write mosquito because it is the carrier of malaria. Question number 5, where do the external parasite of animals live? External parasite of animals, say lice, that is juhe, or mosquito. Okay, these remain on the surface or skin of the animal. Fine. Also practice the odd one out part. Coming to the quick assignment. MCQ number 1. Which of the following does not represent a microorganism? Options are protozoa, insect, bacteria and fungi. Which of these does not represent a microbe? Protozoa, insect, bacteria or fungi? Of course, answer is insect. Because insects are macroorganisms, we can see them without the help of a microscope, right? Question number 2, which of the following is a useful bacterium? Useful bacterium. Staphylococci, options are Staphylococci, Clostridium botulinum, Salmonella, Lactobacillus. So, when you revise the chapter, you know that Staphylococci, Clostridium, Salmonella, all these three are disease-causing bacteria. Only Lactobacillus is the useful bacterium. Lactobacillus, which is present in that is curd, okay, and helps in curding of milk. Number 3, yeast is used in the production of sugar, alcohol, glucose, oxygen. Yes, answer is alcohol. Number 4, which of the following is an antibiotic? Okay. Options are yeast, lactobacillus, tetracycline, rennin. Your answer is tetracycline, of course. Yeast is not an antibiotic, it is one of the fungus. Lactobacillus is a bacterium. Rennin is the milk protein. It's a type of protein which is present in milk. So tetracycline is the group of antibiotic. Number 5, the organisms which causes food poisoning. Food poisoning. Okay. Staphylococci, anaerobic bacteria, yeast, penicillium. Here, of course, your answer is Staphylococci. Okay. There are one-word questions also. Number 1, microbes that live both inside and outside the body of other organism. Both inside and outside, so it is a complete parasite. Number 2, a small dose of weakened disease-causing microbe. Small dose of weakened or killed disease-causing microbe. It is the vaccine. Yes, you are correct. Vaccine. Number 3, diseases which can be transmitted from one person to another person. This question is very easy. You know the answer. Number 4, process by which spoilage of perishable food is prevented. That also you know, it is food preservation. Number 5, converting atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound. Very important question. Converting atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound by a bacteria. Answer is nitrogen fixation. Okay, or even you can write nitrification. Okay, let's come to the last part, chapter based practice paper. I know many of you have already done So please revise properly. Along with, first of all, you have to revise the whole chapter, by the way. Whole chapter you revise, then revise the question answers. Chapter based practice paper, multiple choice. Number 1, which of the following makes its own food by photosynthesis? Which of the following makes its own food by photosynthesis? Options are algae, viruses, fungi, bacteria. Yes, algae is a green organism, so answer is algae. Number 2, process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. Options are fermentation, denitrification, decarboxylation, nitrogen fixation. Answer is fermentation. Okay. Fill in the blanks type question. Number 1, the bacteria that do not require oxygen for their growth are called, the group of bacteria which do not require oxygen for their growth are called anaerobic bacteria. Okay. Number 2, disease rust in wheat crop is caused by, it's a fungal disease caused by fungus. Number 3, you find out the answer. Number 3, I'll not say. Number 4, bacterium which can directly convert atmospheric nitrogen to nitrate. Number 5, most commonly used chemical food preservative is 3, 4, 5. Okay, very easy. Find out and write down. Okay, so that's all for today, class 8. Please revise the chapters and along with these questions. All the best for your exam. Although you will get question answers of previous chapter in this week. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next class. Bye.